Hey everyone, today I would like to introduce some simple tips that will enhance your productivity when organizing data in Excel. And here, let's think about a case where you're trying to run some inventory check. And in this table here, it shows the products that has been used for each month from January till April. And you'd like to create a table that looks like this. And based on the information here, we would like to summarize those over there. Okay, so here you might think, oh yeah, here's bolt 44 used and the washer 57 in February, bolt 78, screws 108, and so on and so on. And well, this is doable. We only have like 4 months and a few items, but there's an easy way to automate this task. So here you'll need to select the whole table or can simply click the rows or columns like that and hit Control A. Then the whole table will be selected and you will want to go to this Data tab. And here you should be able to find the icon saying Consolidate. So once you click this one, a new pop-up window will show up. And from here, we would like to find the references. So I'm selecting these. I'll add that. For February, I'll add March, add that, and you'll select the top row and left column and hit OK. Then all these information will be consolidated into this single table. Simple and easy, isn't it? And based on this, let's try to create an inventory sheet. So for the bolt, it's going to be 1,000, hit F4, minus the sum of what has been used, right? So get that and can double click this thing to automatically fill. And again, when you are doing this copy and paste, I highly recommend that you double click to check whether this is making sense. So yeah, it's making sense.